In this video, I'll show you how to change your WooCommerce Return to Shop URL and text in just a few simple steps. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Okay, so this particular video is based on this article here on an AOV Up blog. So I'll leave a link in the description below to this article here so you can copy and paste the code onto your WooCommerce store. Okay, so let's quickly navigate down and let's grab our first line of code. Okay, so we'll just copy this code here. Whenever you add in any custom code to your website, just make sure you create a backup of your website, and we can add this code to our themes functions like PHP file. We can add it to a code snippet plugin. So I'll leave a link on screen now to a video showing you all the different ways in how you can actually implement this code on your WooCommerce store. There's some more information informing you on what each line of the code is actually doing. Okay, so I'm just going to head over to my demo site here. And to add this code to this particular site, I'm going to be using the code snippet plugin. So I'll just navigate to snippets and then go ahead and click add new snippet. Okay, so we'll just paste in our code here. Use these helper texts as well to help you. So the first section is to change the link where it says return to shop page. Okay, so for example, our default code will redirect customers to your homepage, but let's say you wanted to redirect them over to a specific page, and we can do so. Okay, so just get a page here. So let's say privacy policy, for example. Hopefully you don't redirect customers over to your privacy policy page from the cart page, but it's just an example. But to add a custom URL where it says home URL here, right? And it's got this open and close brackets. I'm just gonna do 2 quotation marks. And then I'm going to paste in our custom URL, right? So this is the URL in which we want to redirect customers to. And then the second part of the code is to change the text for the return to shop page button. Okay, so here is the text that we need to edit in the event that you do want to edit that text, right? So I'm just going to say view privacy. Okay, and that looks fine. So let's just go ahead and save changes. Well, we should give this a name. So we'll just say, and then we'll just hit save changes. Okay, so that's saved fine. So let's head over to our cart page and then let's go ahead and test this out. Okay, I'm gonna view the cart page and we've got a few items in our basket. So let's just remove everything. Okay, and now instead of saying return to shop, here it says view privacy. And if we click on this button here, it'll take us to our privacy page, which is right here. Okay, so that's a quick and simple way to not only customize the return to shop link URL, but also to customize the text as well. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you've got any questions, leave it in the comment box below.